So yeah, so just a little bit of history in general, and even in this course, you'll see natural language processing has most often been applied in the equity markets to predict price changes over a day or days, and recently, and in particular by me and my associates, we made attempts to apply natural language processing to predict price changes in corporate bond markets. And again, as part of the course, you will see, you know, the work we've done on that, and again, a little bit of approach. So basically, the general approach consists of first turning words in written text, say news headlines and stories, into digital representation. This is called embedding, and we'll talk a little bit about that even in this little tutorial session. But these embedded texts are then used to generate the sentiment scores, right? Whether a news article or headline is positive, negative, or neutral relative to the markets we're trying to predict. And then again, you know, there are many news stories that come out, right? And so, you know, each of them has a sentiment score attached to it, and they're summed over a given period and used to predict the next period's price change.